Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Side Hustle Keisha, and on this channel, I bring you videos, tips, and ways to make you money from home, and amazing full-time and part-time opportunities, and a couple of cool side hustles. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you're in the know, okay? Make sure you guys are staying connected, and if this job opportunity doesn't fit you, please send it over to any friends and family you think that might be interested in this job opportunity. I know right now we have so many people still out of work, being furloughed, still looking for work, and I want to be of assistance in any way that I can. So help me out. Share this information. If you get the opportunity, you get a job interview, you get the job, come back and drop a comment below the video so we can celebrate with you. Okay. You guys make sure you're also following me over on Facebook, Side Hustle Keisha, and on Instagram at Side Hustle Keisha. We're going to jump right into this opportunity, you guys. I want to tell you about this opportunity because I think it's a great opportunity for anyone who's looking for full-time work. Make sure you stay at the end because I'm going to tell you how to apply, and I want to celebrate you if you get in on this opportunity. So stay tuned, stay connected, and here we go. So this is a great opportunity. It's a work from home opportunity. They're now hiring for inside sales reps. Okay, so this is a plumbing industry leader is looking for inside sales representative to introduce consumers to their products and set up appointments for their field sales reps. Okay, the company is hiring nationwide, you guys, nationwide. Okay, so if you're looking for an opportunity that's hiring nationwide, this is the company that is doing it. Okay, so you can work from home. That's the cool thing about this. I did a little research on the pay details. The opportunity ranges anywhere between 35,000 to 100,000 a year. Okay, so it's a sales position, so you know how sales works. You can pick your salary, how hard you want to work, how hard you want to hustle. You can pick your salary, but to have a range like that working from home is amazing. So I wanted to share this opportunity with you. Again, it's open to all candidates nationwide. This is a remote inside sales representative, communicates directly with consumers to give an overview of the company's standards and products and installation services in order to win an opportunity for our field representatives, our field sales representatives to provide an in-home demonstration. So what you'll be doing is you're going to be calling to get through the door. Then you'll be setting up an appointment for the representative to give them a full demonstration. This is a home improvement call center or phone. Basically, this is basically this type of the type of experience you need is like maybe some home improvement call center or phone room experience is strongly preferred. Okay, so a very attractive sales commission plan is rewarded. Okay, and they have like this performance based situation where you'll be, if you perform, you're going to get benefited, you're going to get compensated. So you must be motivated to exceed sales targets. And at this company, they've been servicing consumers for over 150 years. And the home improvement solutions, they create and help customers and even change lives by improving their home and the safety and the convenience. So some of the qualities that they're looking for inbound, outbound, you need to be able to convert them, the calls into in-home sales appointments for their field reps. You use CRM and mapping technology to effectively schedule in-home appointments nationwide that are well coordinated for homeowners and field reps. Okay, use cloud-based systems to update consumer records with the lead disposition notes, advertising source, and etc. So basically the details that maybe you discussed on the call, and just all the details you can give it. So when that demonstrator gets out to that person's home, they know a lot about them, how they found out about the company, and are able to transition them into an actual customer. Okay, so maintain a sales mentality and be able to patiently overcome objections, completes various periodic and reoccurrent sales development and skills training. So you need to be open to developing your skills as a sales rep so you can get better, so you can close those leads, because these leads are coming over because people are interested in getting something done. You just got to be able to set that appointment to get that representative out there to get the sale, basically. Available to work remotely. Multiple shifts are available. A minimum 1 year sales experience. Home improvement call center, inside sales experience is strongly preferred. Proficient in Windows-based application, excellent communication and negotiation skills, and understand call center fundamentals. Experience working in a fast-paced environment. Ability to emphasize with, you got to be able to empathize with customers, okay? Serious inquiries only, okay? So if you guys are interested in this company, I want to tell you the name of this company. I want to share this company with you. This is American Standard. Here is the opportunity right here. You guys, if you're interested in this position, I want you to go over here and apply. I will put the link in the description box so you can just come here and click apply. It's with American Standard, and they do bathroom, kitchen, remodels. So basically, as an industry leader in the plumbing industry, we are improving sanitation and developing countries around the world. We are just committed to being a great place to work for over 6,000 employees in North America, as well as over 59,000 employees globally. So I want you to come over to here and apply for the job. Also, you can check out what they do. So they do bathroom and kitchen plumbing. And here's their website. Check them out. They do commercial as well. So they also not only do home in plumbing, they do commercials. So check it out. Drop me a comment below. The link to the job will be in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video. If this job doesn't fit you, send it over to a friend who you think this would help. I got 2 friends in mind. I'm going to actually send my video over to them and see if they're interested in this opportunity. You guys have a great one, okay? Bye-bye.